Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, back with another super fresh trade-in, guys. Behind me I have a 2015 Keystone Hideout, 27 DBS on the model number. Super light, awesome family unit, guys. We do have an outdoor kitchen down back, huge exterior awning with 2 exterior speakers. Up front we got some pass-through storage. Come on inside, guys. Let's check her out. All right. Really nice and clean in here, actually. Right here on the wall, all of our unit controls, guys. And then directly across from it, check out the entertainment center. Up top, tons of storage. TV does come with the unit. Stereo deck for those inside-outside speakers. And then you got some more storage down below as well. Well, we're up here. We might as well go right into the bedroom and check out your new mattress. Woohoo! Brand new mattress ready to go for you guys. There is his and hers closets on either side with some short people storage up above. I can't reach that. I'll get that after. Coming outside, tons of counter space here, guys. Dual sinks, which is really good for doing dishes. Down below, a spot for a garbage can, of course, with some cutlery and utensil drawers. Up above, plates and cup storage, of course. And then beside that, we got the High Point microwave range hood, 3-burner cooktop with a good size oven. So you got the central vac on her too. That's pretty neat. Over here, Atwood gas and electric refrigerator. Tons of space in that puppy. Then we're going to 180 because we got a couch that makes a bed. We got storage up over top of the couch, which you don't see in the new ones. And then a huge U-shaped dinette that will also drop down to a bed, guys. Now back here beside the bunk room and all the fun areas, nice pantry, storage area, whatever you want to call it. Little closet here for the kiddos, hang up their clothes and stuff in. And a spot up top here they can put a TV on. You do have double over double bunks with 300-pound capacity on them. There's lights and a window for the bottom bunk. And then down below, storage for the bags, so you don't have to be tripping over them or living in the suitcases. Into the bathroom. Nice size bathroom, actually, guys. Vanity here. Fair size amount of space around that. There is some storage underneath. And a medicine cabinet. Tons of space around the toilet. And a fair-sized shower that has a small tub for a small dog or maybe a young child or something. Extra headroom right where you want it. And this is a really functional bathroom, guys. If you like this unit and you want to check it out for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11. Don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.